And now hoteliers at the coast want the government to clarify the possibility of travel restrictions during the festive season following a spike in the number of confirmed positive cases at the coast. According to the Kenya Coast Tourism Association, domestic tourism is gradually peaking. However, international bookings are yet to gain momentum.
Domestic tourism at the coast is projected to operate at a capacity of above 50% during this festive season, a lower projection compared to last year, a state of affairs attributed to the raging pandemic. International tourism is yet to pick up due to mandatory travel health restrictions imposed worldwide.
International bookings are very, very low. In fact, practically non-existent. When I say non-existent, we might have like maybe at 2 or 3%. We encourage the policymakers to sit down with the stakeholders to see what other solutions could there be possible to encourage more easier access into the country whilst trying to keep the country safe and healthy.
According to the Kenya Coast Tourism Association, the current projections are not sufficient to propel the sector back to pre-COVID levels. Local tourists are hesitant in making travel plans for the incoming festive season, saying they are worried that the government could impose travel bans countrywide owing to the rising numbers of confirmed corona cases.
When you talk to our clients, it is the fear that is looming that there might be another travel lockdown, so people are not confident in whether they should book, and they should be able to confirm the bookings. And this is where we encourage the government, if they could clear their air out, so that people could eventually finalize their travel plans.
The association is calling for collaboration with the government so as to tap into the regional and international markets. Through its chair, Hussein Nurain, the hoteliers are appealing for incentive between regional and local airlines to boost the numbers.
If the government can be able to work with our national airline, the Kenya Airways and Jambo Jet, to be able to introduce and come up with incentives of how we could have the regional airlines, how we could have all flights coming in from the regional locations into the Kenya coast. That would really boost both the weddings, the meetings, incentives, conferences and holidays also.
Nurain is further calling on the national and county governments as well as the corporate sector to help revive the MICE business in the country.
In Nairobi, the pickup rate has been slightly lower and slower. And whilst I'm encouraging the government, we also encourage our big corporates and our national corporates. This is the time to support the hotels and the tourism industry by hosting your team building, your incentives within the hotels.
The hoteliers are urging Kenyans to take advantage of the various holiday packages in place during this festive season to promote the sector that is grappling to stay afloat.
We always have believed in Buy Kenya, Build Kenya. We have always traveled internationally. Let us use this opportunity to promote the local hotels, to promote the local safari operators, to promote the local lodges and resorts, and be able to experience the magical Kenya that we have always seen.
Junika Risambele from Mombasa County.